Alright, so the midnight robber, someone comes out in the night. He dresses in all scary looking. He's very aggressive towards whatever it is he wants, and he always gets what he wants. Midnight robber.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials, Special and Visual Effects. Today I'm going to teach you how to achieve the glitch effect using Microsoft PowerPoint. I did a previous video teaching you how to do glitchy text, and this video is somewhat similar to that, so you can feel free to check out that other video if you like.
Okay, go ahead. What saying? Midnight robber. Describe midnight robber.
Alright, so that is basically the effect, so let's get into it. So I have my video here. This is my video, and I edited a little bit to achieve the glitch effect a bit better, but you don't have to do much editing. This is basic editing where I paused and cut out pieces of the video and chopped it up. Just basic editing to help achieve the glitch effect, and I of course added a sound effect.
Alright, so the midnight robber, someone comes out in the night. Dresses in all scary looking. He's very aggressive towards whatever it is.
Alright, so it's basic editing, chop and cut out parts of the video. That's just to add to the effect, but now we're going to actually create the glitch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate my video, Ctrl+D, and I'm going to crop the duplicated video just around my subject, and the first animation I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that they're both playing, that this video plays with previous, so that they play together. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my first animation, which is an entrance animation. I'm going to add the random bars animation, and I'm going to, of course, let it start with previous, but I'm going to let it start a little around there. That looks like 1.75 seconds, so I'm just going to increase the delay 1.75, and I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to allow this to repeat, let's say 10 times, 0.5 seconds, very fast. Alright, now you won't see anything yet until I add the other effect. So the other effect that I'm going to add is a pulse animation under emphasis effects, and of course I'm going to let go with previous, and I'll do the same thing, allow it to repeat 10 times, 0.5 seconds, very fast. I'll allow it to repeat, and this is where we'll start to see the effect actually shaping up. I'm going to add a grow/shrink animation also under emphasis effect, because the glitch has to move about the screen and be disoriented. So this will be one of those animations with previous. Of course I will do the same thing, repeat 10 times. I'm just going to increase this slightly, so we'll we'll increase the bounce end, and let's just put this to 1 second instead, and I'll let this play 5 times. You can play around with the different timings of the animations to suit your preference.
Alright, so the midnight robber, someone comes out in the night. Dresses in all.
Now this is where it actually starts to take shape, as we can see. Let me just mute this, and I'm going to add another animation, which will be a motion path animation. So if we have under here, we have more entrance, emphasis, exit, and more motion paths. So I'm going to select one of these lists of the motion paths. I choose the spring. Alright, so that this is where it's going to be disoriented. So of course with previous, I'll be sure to go back to 0.5 seconds, repeat 10 times. Alright,
Alright, so the midnight robber, someone
Alright, so it looks sort of disoriented, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to edit the video slightly. I'm going to video effects and choose soft edges so that you wouldn't see that there's a big rectangle around the video. That kind of smooths it out a little bit.
Alright, so the midnight robot, someone comes out in the night, he dresses in all scary looking, he's very aggressive towards what.
Alright. So that is basically the effect there, and the last effect that I'm going to add is the disappear animation. Alright, so that it returns to the normal video after with previous, and I'm just going to send this down to the end, and let's just take a quick look.
Alright, so the midnight robot, someone comes out in the night, he dresses in all scary looking, he's very aggressive towards whatever it is he wants,
and that, my friends, is a simple glitch animation. And yes, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, check out the other videos on this channel, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching.